Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be a chit chat, get ready with me, and I'm going to be talking about relationships and cheating in relationships. And I also have a story time for you guys on how I was in a cheating relationship. Before we get any further, I want to stop you guys and ask you to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Okay, so my eyebrows are already done and they have been on the struggle side a little bit lately, but they're doable today. So I'm going to take the concealer that I'm using. It's a L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and I got the shade 450, honey. That's what I conceal my brows with, and I'm just going to put that. I feel so incomplete without this when I'm doing my makeup. But I'm going to just bring the concealer onto my eyelids. So I'm wanting to do a story time, and if you know me, then you know my life is pretty boring. So I haven't really had anything major ever happen. Never really been through anything, but things that I do have experience with is relationships. So I can talk to you guys about relationships. So this is going to be like a little story time on the first relationship I was ever in. And basically, I met this guy because I was best friends with his cousins. So my sister knew of him. She knew him better than I did because she dated his friend. He decided that he wanted to date me, so this was like, I don't remember when it was, because all I know is I was in the 9th grade and I'm 28 now. I've been out of high school for 10 years this year, so this happened a long time ago. So he sent my sister to tell me that he wanted to date me. So I was like, cool, you know, we can. So I think we only dated for a couple of days before he told my sister to tell me that he wanted to break up with me because it was drama going around the school with his name in it, and he didn't want me to be a part of that. And you guys, I thought that was just so sweet. Like, I really thought that was sweet. So I was like, cool. And he was like, he'll ask me to be his girlfriend again once everything dies down. So this is in like April. My birthday is in May. So I don't know how he found out my birthday, when my birthday was and everything like that. He was a grade under me in 8th grade. So he came to the 9th grade hallway to give me a letter. He came with his friend. So he gave me the letter. I opened the letter and it was basically saying like, happy birthday, will you be my girlfriend, blah, 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 blah. Talk about head over heels. Yeah, I was so young. Like, I just thought that was just like cute. Like, that was just the sweetest thing ever. Like, no guys ever asked me out on my birthday, blah, blah, blah. You know, I thought it was just cute. So we started dating or whatever, and I would see him every day because, like I said, he stayed close to the same neighborhood that I lived in, but his cousins lived right across the street from me, and I was friends with his cousins. So I would see this man all the time. So throughout the course of the relationship, like, this is where things get bad. So I'm like, man, this is my first relationship, y'all. I'm just so dumb. Like, I don't understand nothing. So this man, and none of my friends had never been in a relationship, like serious, or you know, like in high school you have like the little puppy love and stuff like that. I'm not trying to knock anybody who were high school sweethearts. So I'm walking to class one day and he's going towards the 9th grade hallway. I don't know why, or he's going outside or somewhere, and he's walking with this girl. So I'm not thinking nothing of it. It doesn't cross my mind that this man is cheating on me. So guess what? I'm headed to class and he waves at me. And I waved back. I waved back and go on to class, y'all. So I get to class and this dude is in there. He's like, wasn't it your boyfriend just walking with this girl? Blah, blah, blah. He got 2 girlfriends. He got you and he got this girl. And I'm like making a commotion about it and everything. And I'm just like, huh? So I'm like, oh, okay. Because I have no idea why I was just as dumb as I was. But so we get to like the end of the day or whatever. And I tell him, you know, tell him about the situation or whatever. And he was like, he would, like, they just friends, they just cool, like it's nothing like that, anything like that. So I believed the man. I kept on dating the man because I believed him. So this same month in May, it's like the end of the month now, and it's the end of school, like the last day of school. So during the last day of school, we would have like this little thing where you basically like a little carnival, school carnival or something like that, where like the end of the day, we just hang out and play games and stuff like that. So that's what we did, and we were there, and like all the grades were out there mixed together. So I walk into, like, I spend majority of my time in the gym during that day. And of course my boyfriend was in there, but hey, I'm like, I'm gonna see him later, so I'm just gonna hang with my friends, do my own thing, whatever. He was playing basketball. So I see him sitting beside this girl, the same girl that he had walked to class or wherever they was going. I'm like, hey, he said they was just friends. I'm not tripping, you know, I'm not gonna stress myself out. So I continue on, and then my best friend calls me over there on the other side of the gym where he was at. So I went over there with him. He was like, ain't that your boyfriend? And I was like, yeah, that's him. He said they was just friends, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And my best friend was telling me, you know, that they not just friends. They was dating before and all this stuff like this. So I was like, oh, okay. I was like, well, you know what? I'm just gonna be done with that relationship, that situation, you know, stuff like that. So I said I was gonna be done. So let me tell y'all this. We getting ready to go because the buses are coming. I'm getting ready to leave out the gym. I see this man with this girl. He hugged up with her under the basketball court. Well, under the basketball goal, with his hand on her butt. So I was like, oh no, I'm done. I'm so done. His cousin was mad. She was going out. She was like, that's disrespectful. You don't do that, blah, blah, blah. You can, you know, just like mad. And I'm tickled because I'm like, wow, like I really believe this man. Like I believe that he told me like that they were not dating. Like they were just friends. And I believe that they were just friends because my best friend was a guy. So we get to the house. So my grandma's house was like the little neighborhood kicking spot. Like that's where all of me and my friends, we was just over there, like just kicking it or whatever. So the boy that walked to the hallway with my boyfriend to give me the note was in my grandma's house. And his friend was walking, my boyfriend was walking from, I guess that's his aunt's house. And his friend was like, there go your boyfriend. I was like, that's not my boyfriend. Like, I broke up with him. We not together. His friend gonna yell down the street. She said, you not her boyfriend. Y'all not together. This man said, yes, we are. He said something like that. He said something like that. So I'm just like, whatever. So him and I meet later and we talk about the situation or whatever. Y'all know this man had the nerve to tell me. This man had the nerve to tell me that wasn't him. That was not him I saw. Y'all know what I did? I took them back. I know. I should not have. And I dealt, like, that relationship was 2.5 years. 2.5 years long with me, him, and that other girl. Like, it's not funny because people really do go, it's my situation now, and I can laugh at it, and I can laugh and be like, you know, I really did that. But people in real life really do go through situations like that in relationships. Really just wish that I had somebody to teach me about knowing your worth. Like, I had my mama, and she would tell me stuff of, like, well, for the longest, they didn't even know that I was dating that man. They found out about him at the end of the relationship, like when I was fed up and broke up with them. So, you know, there was no, like, I no big sister, no nothing to be like, hey, you know, when situations like that arise in relationships. And I just wanted to tell you girls, you ladies out there, if you are experiencing, oh, that's cute. If you're experiencing, you know, relationship problems and things like that, your man cheating and he don't want to stop, like, he just continue, like, know your worth. Know your worth. There are men out there that will not cheat on you. There are men out there that will put you on a pedestal, okay? And being in a relationship for so long that is unhealthy will have effects and things on your self-esteem. It can make you feel like, you know, you aren't worthy, and you don't ever want to get like that, especially behind a guy. I did that. I went through that, and so it's my job to make sure you don't. Like, I feel like I'm a professional. Like, they should pay me. Somebody should pay me to read these men, because I can spot a guy that ain't no good from 50 miles away. I'm like, he ain't no good. I can read your energy. I can pick up on your vibes by the way you look, talk, your body movements and everything. Like, I'm very observant, so I can tell you if your man, y'all, my eyelash lifting up. I know when you're lying. I don't know the whole song, but y'all know that Ply song. I know when you're lying. Yeah, I know. Remember to not lose yourself in a relationship. Don't lose who you are. Don't forget who you are. Remember who you are at all times. You are that girl, that chick, you know. And that's just that, you know. Don't, y'all, I put on hoop earrings and they just take me to all. I just need my nails done. But yeah, just remember who you are. Do not ever let a guy or a relationship bring you down. If you're in a situation where he's cheating and just anything bad, anything unhealthy, you know, you gotta get out. Remember yourself. Always put you first. Always put yourself first. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really just wanted to talk because I didn't have anything major to do with my makeup, so I just wanted to do something natural looking and get on here and talk to you guys and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave me comments below. Let's, you know, talk in the comment section. I respond to comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.